Want a fence that actually boosts your home's curb appeal? These 5 styles do more than just divide property. They make your home stand out. Modern and minimal, horizontal wood fences give a clean, upscale look. Use cedar or redwood for rich color and long-term durability. Add a stain to highlight the grain or go dark for contrast. Elegant and timeless, ornamental metal fences. Typically aluminum or steel, bring a classic touch to front yards and gardens. They're low maintenance and offer strong security without blocking views. Nothing says welcome home like a white picket fence. Vinyl versions stay bright and clean year-round with almost no maintenance. A charming, family-friendly choice. Privacy doesn't have to be boring. A lattice-topped wood fence gives you full coverage with a stylish twist. It adds visual height and a soft finish. Great for backyards or side gardens. Mixing materials is a trend that's here to stay. Pair warm wood with sleek metal or go low maintenance with composite and steel. It's bold, customizable, and truly modern. Want help choosing or installing the perfect fence? Visit kaonfenceinc.com or call us at 781-767-3596. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fence ideas.